this question says that given that 3 sine square x minus 8 cos x minus 7 is equals to 0, and you have to show that for all real values of x, cos x is equals to minus 2 over 3. Okay, let's see what do we need to do. Okay, we have 3 sine square x minus 8 cos x minus 7 is equals to 0, right? So firstly, we will need to change this into cos square x so that we have a complete cos equation and not sine and cos equation. So we know that sine square x is equals to 1 minus cos square x. Copy the rest. Expand, we get 3 minus 3 cos square x minus 8 cos x minus 7 is equals to 0. So I'm moving everything to the other side so that the cos square terms becomes positive. And we have minus 4 here, which goes to the other side, becomes plus 4. Okay, so this is a hidden quadratic equation that we have. We can solve it using, in fact, this is a simple quadratic equation. I'm going to solve this using middle term breaking. So multiplication should give us 12, addition should give us 8. So that's going to be 6 and 2. So 3 cos square x plus 6 cos x. I've broken the middle term, plus 2 cos x plus 4 is equals to 0. Okay. 3 cos x is common. And we have cos x plus 1. And then we can take 2 common plus 2. So cos x plus 2. Okay, this was supposed to be 2. And this will be 2 as well. Okay, so in the brackets, we get 3 cos x plus 2. And cos x plus 2 is equals to 0, which is giving us two solutions. Cos x is equals to minus 2 over 3. And cos x is equals to minus 2. Okay. Even if you try solving this, you'll get math error. We'll talk about this later when we do quadratic trigonometric graphs. Right now, you just write no real solution or just no solution. And this is the only cos x expression that is going to give you angles when we try to solve it in part 2. Okay, so part 1 is done. Part 2 would be hence solve this equation. Okay, so we'll have to use the result of the previous part here. Let's see. Okay, so this part will be replaced with this. However, x will be replaced with theta plus 70. So this becomes cos theta plus 70 equals minus 2 over 3. And the given domain is theta is between 0 and 180. Okay, so this is a shifted trigonometric equation. First thing we need to do is let y is equals to theta plus 70, which means theta will be equals to y minus 70. Okay, so this becomes cos y equals minus 2 over 3. And this becomes 0 less than equals to y minus 70 less than equals to 180. Now the negative 70 needs to go, so we're going to add plus 70 on all sides, so 70 y, and this becomes 250. Okay, so the domain for y is 70 degrees to 250 degrees. Okay, let's find the absolute angle first. Cos inverse 2 upon 3. Okay, this gives 48.2. Now cos is in fact, cos is negative here. So cos is negative here. Add sugar to coffee and here. So we write 48.2 here and 48.2 here. Okay, so we're getting y equals, the domain is from 70 to 250. Okay, so is this in the domain? Let's check. 180 minus 48.2. Probably is. Yes, definitely is. 180 minus 48.2 gives 131.8. and the other value would be 180 plus 48.2, which gives 228.2. So we have two values of y, but actually we need values of theta, and we know the relationship between y and theta, that to get theta, we have to subtract 70 from y. So let's subtract 70 from both the answers we got. So 228 minus 70 is 158.2. And 131.8 minus 70 is 61.8. These two are the final answers of this question.